Call me a nerd, but this analysis just got me really excited about how much value we can actually bring for our Dreamdata customers. Um, I just had a meeting with a customer where we just like on the fly did an analysis of their, in this case, Google Search Ads spend, and we found so much money that they could actually save because with Dreamdata we can prove that this ad spend never ever produced any revenue. So let me show you how we did it. Basically, we went to their search ads, set this year's sales qualified leads in a data-driven attribution model. And then what we did here was really we downloaded all the campaigns that are running, and we went to a Google Sheet where we simply imported these campaigns. And by just putting them in here, it's extremely easy to identify what stuff that's actually working, but it's also very easy to identify stuff where you actually waste a lot of money. So basically, you can pull in all the campaigns that are running here. I'll show you the analysis I did on behalf of our customer. It's over here. So the first exercise I did was really to split the campaigns in two campaigns. One tab for the campaigns that actually has deals associated to it, and another tab of deals that doesn't have any campaigns associated to it, because the decision making varies a little bit. But over here I've just anonymized the campaigns, but these are basically all the campaigns that they have running that has not produced a single deal this year so far. That's $166,000 of ad spend that where we can prove that no deal came out of this. That's massive. But then if we head over here to the campaigns that do have deals associated to them, there's a couple of things that is nice to know, or a couple of ways to look at it. Firstly, I've sorted it by cost, so the cost can help guide you to which campaigns you should pay attention. But the metrics I just did for myself here was really, what does it cost for this company to produce $1 of revenue? So I listed the campaigns like this. So basically these all these campaigns I've marked here, if they are to buy $1 of revenue, they have to pay more than $1 to acquire this revenue, which essentially means that you're wasting money every time you're running these ads. So I can go over here now and say there's actually a total ad spend at $570,000 where they're actually paying more for producing revenue than what they're getting. And that's a massive insight. Like, either they can just stop these campaigns because they're not worth it, or they can try to optimize it. On the flip side of it, they can also go down here and see on all these campaigns where we're actually making more money than we spent. We can browse our eyes on the impression share. All the ones that have a low impression share, you can actually expect that your ad spend is going to correlate with you making more money. And as you see here, there's actually plenty of room here. Here there's only 21%, here there's 20, 13, 14. So there's a massive opportunity actually also to produce a lot more revenue for these companies. But there's also, ouch, a lot of money that can be saved. Let me just show you one last, perspective on this. I went to Dreamdata to find out what's the average of it, average one deal worth. And if you go up here and then sort it by the acquisition cost, then you get all these campaigns up here that are above a 1 year payback time, meaning that if an average deal is 5,000, these campaigns actually cost more than 5,000. So if I then calculated here that in a total ad spend this year of $1 million, almost 900,000 of those takes more than a year to pay back, given the average deal size. So huge amounts of potential here to both improve ad spend and save money. And if this do sound interesting, just DM me and I'm happy to talk about how this works. Bye.